Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Digitivity. I hope you all are doing well. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can create this dual lighting effect using GIMP, a GNU image manipulation software, which is absolutely free to use open source program. And if you are completely beginner to GIMP, you can watch the tutorial about how to download and install GIMP on Windows 10. The link is available in the I button, as well as in the description. Now without wasting time, let's go to my laptop screen and start the tutorial. Open GIMP first to start our project. Then go to the top menu here and click on the File option, which is on the left side of the menu. Click on Open and import the image on which you want to create the light effect. And if you want to follow along with the same image which I am using, you can download it from the link in the description below. Now duplicate the image layer and hide the original layer for backup. Go to Colors in the top menu now and click on Desaturate. It will open up a window. Just click OK. It will convert the image into grayscale so that the color of our light effect can show up in a proper way once it is created. What we need to do now is add a new layer with transparency. To do that, click on this Add Layer tab here, below the Layers panel. Name the layer as Overlay. Make sure transparency is selected in this Fill with column here and hit OK. Change the foreground color to red or any color of your choice. For me it's red, which I think will give a good light effect to our image. Now go to Edit here and click on Fill with Foreground Color. Go to Mode above the Layers panel and change the mode to Overlay. Now right-click on the overlay layer and click on New from Visible. It will create a new layer from the visible. Now hide this new layer. And again click on the overlay layer. We need to change the foreground color to our second light effect color. So click on the foreground color and change it. I am choosing blue color this time. Now go to the Edit menu and click on Fill with Foreground Color again. Now right-click on the overlay layer and click on New from Visible. It will create another layer from the visible. Now unhide the red layer which was kept hidden. Right-click on the layer and click on Add a Layer Mask. Choose white with full opacity and hit the Add button. Now go to Foreground Color and set it back to black. And pick Gradient tool. Choose the gradient pattern to the foreground to background from here. And once we have that selected, take the cursor on the left side of our image, somewhere around here. Then just click and drag it slowly to the right side while holding the Control key on the keyboard to lock it onto the horizontal axis. It's looking pretty good. We have our blue light on the left side and red light on the right side. have to create a new layer from the visible. So right-click on this layer and click on New from Visible. Now hide the original layer which is down here. We are going to do one last step more, so go to Colors then Curves. Now click on this small circle in the bottom left here and drag it slowly to the right side like this. Then click on the other small circle on the top right here and drag it slowly to the left side like this. Now change the value to red from here and adjust it the same way. Then do the same for the blue value. Once we have a satisfactory effect on our image, hit OK and we are done. This was it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful in any way whatsoever, be sure to subscribe and turn on all notifications to my channel, and if you have any questions about this video, please let me know in the comments section below. See you in the next tutorial, take care.